Entering and paying bills in QuickBooks Desktop is crucial for managing your accounts payable effectively. Here's how to do it. Open QuickBooks Desktop. Launch your QuickBooks Desktop application and open your company file. Enter a bill. Navigate to the vendors menu at the top of the screen. Select Enter Bills from the drop-down. In the Enter Bills window, choose the vendor from the drop-down list. Fill in the date, amount, and due date. In the Expenses tab, select the appropriate expense account and enter the amount to categorize the bill. Add any relevant descriptions. Click Save and Close to record the bill. Pay the bill. Go back to the Vendors menu and select Pay Bills. In the Pay Bills window, you will see a list of outstanding bills. Check the box next to the bill you want to pay. Choose the payment method and enter the payment date. Click Pay selected bills to process the payment. Confirm payment. Review the payment details, then click OK to complete the transaction.